It's a 2019 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban has dominated the road since 1935. This model continues the tradition with the power, efficiency, and adaptability you'd expect. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V8 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, streaming audio, trailer hitch receiver, remote engine start smart device, and automatic transmission. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.